Hey, look, we'll do cinematics. Boom. We're back, boys. That's a perfect intro. Actually, wait, hold up. Yeah, let's show them. Because you haven't even seen it either. It's just some little goodies today. One of the people in the comments is going to be very happy. They're vents.
What the fuck? Where'd you
But instead of being like you know how mine are just lines?
Oh, what the fuck?
They're like lay flats.
Cool.
I even got them wired, but I don't think I'm wiring them today. Because you have to run a whole thing like hella crazy.
Wired to what?
So like this shit lights up. But I don't have the connection. I think I have to wire it myself. So we probably won't do that, but
It's kind of cool.
but like, it's supposed to just look cleaner when you have it like closed and shit.
It does look cleaner already.
You think so? That's what's up then. I'm very excited. And then which one should I show you first? Actually, I'll show this one first. What do you think this one is? I already showed you.
Oh my god.
I finally got my glove box. I don't even know if it's gonna. Oh shit! I might have to get the whole glove box.
Why?
Cause now I look at it, it's missing this shit.
Alright, number right now.
Fucking.
Oh hell!
Oh hell nah.
What are you?
Dude, look
doing?
at this nigga's ass, bruh. Hey, it would look clean on you.
Okay, those shoes aren't even that bad.
Yeah, but if you had a different fit, not the shorts, nigga.
No, like that whole fit doesn't look too bad, honestly.
Not the shorts.
High socket, but
The shorts don't
like,
fit.
what the fuck are you doing, you dumbass nigga?
It does look cool though. It does look.
It actually doesn't look too bad.
Yeah,
I'm not
it
gonna lie to you.
doesn't
Cause I did get these tinted. Oh, cause these are clear. But I think I still like, cause I wanted the tinted, cause these are cool.
Yeah. I'm fuck with them.
I'm about to clean them. I want to get rid of this sticker, but you can't. It's not really a sticker.
It's like engraved, no?
Yeah, I think so. All right, let's get to the install, boys. Oh, wait, no, we didn't show them the biggest one. What the fuck? Retarded ass. A lot of people are gonna probably be asking where I got these, and I'll leave it down in the link. Actually, I probably won't, but actually, no, I'll try to. I always forget.
That's the biggest install?
Nah, the main one.
What is that?
Where's
These are just for the dash. No.
I do like
They
that.
move or
I
what?
like that.
Wait, what?
I like that.
I'll show you guys right now, because right now you guys may be looking at it and like, what the fuck is that?
Oh shit, this is stainless steel, my nigga.
These are custom made, huh?
Yeah, that's why it takes like a week to get here. Or like it took me like a month almost. Especially if you get, especially if you get this customized. And this is a big hint for the boys.
Hey?
Something we've been working on pretty hard.
Look. That's the first. If you think about it, boys, y'all will soon know what this is. We're working on it. It's gonna take time, but y'all will know, especially.
That looks cool.
But if you think about it, this is the first thing we have that has this.
I know.
This is
What the fuck? That's cool.
Yeah, this is
What
the
is it?
start, bro.
Where is that going?
Oh, let me show you actually. Right there, and then the two little ones replace these little vents on the side. Oh, it's actually pretty nice. I saw it on the Facebook group.
Because it has the fucking trash.
Oh hell yeah! Look, you can see that shit from up here. Oh, that's gonna look so sick.
Pancakes are made if you finish right now.
What'd you say?
Pancakes.
Don't give a fuck. Ow.
Let me message you.
Nah. Today I don't feel like it.
I'm still doing it. Retard.
He likes it, nigga. Look at this nigga smiling and shit.
Good boy. Good boy.
Oh, hell
Oh
no.
hell no.
Nigga got shot right here. Look. The bullet.
The bullet went.
Very nice.
They look the same, nigga.
Don't even say they look the same, bruh.
They are, bro.
You think they look the same?
Yes.
You're tripping. You're just mad, bruh.
Man, he wasn't
Oh hell no. I'll put you in this one maybe. Let me know what you guys think down below though, boys. And then I got the top ones too. They look pretty clean. If you know, you know. You guys will know soon enough. But we gotta go. How is it? Did you follow me?
Yeah.
I couldn't go fast though. That nigga was up my ass. I went like right when I went, he was like, fuck. Misa swears.
Peace out.
It's a nice ass drone though. Let me show you guys the vents. They look so nice. Hey, hey, hey. I also got some tinted side mirrors. So I'm gonna switch these out real quick. How does it look actually? Watch out, Mason. Let me see it from this angle. I don't know if you guys can even tell on video, but oh shit, it actually looks pretty cool. Let me see, compared to the other side, yes, I'm bald boy still. I don't know if you guys can even tell on video, but it actually looks pretty cool.
You look scared. You look scared.
Oh my god, Misa.
That's not my head. If you're real. Oh, yeah, nah.
Nah, I'm just fucking. That's cringe, that's cringe. No swimming.
Where'd you say that?
Right there.
Where? This is not smiling.
You must be dyslexic. Nah, I don't even want to swim.
Yep.
Oh, watch out.
Hey, now those are snake holes, nigga. Oh my god.
You swear you're Bear Grylls, bro.
What?
Why should we go that way? Yes. Look, under the tree would be nice. Chill spot. Chill spot number what? 823. If you skip it 10 times, I'll let you drive.
Yeah.
In the first try though, second try.
Nah, second try. 3 times.
Nah, just this last. This is the only opportunity.
10 times is impossible. 8 times.
Okay,
That's
fine.
impossible, nigga.
Okay, fine.
You're not gonna do it twice. 1.
Dude, that was the worst skip I've ever seen.
2. You do that one then.
I can at least do 3. You gotta find the right rock though. Look, check it.
Okay.
Me first?
Wait, you recording? Oh yeah. Bruh.
Never mind. That was
Look at.
What is it? How much? How many?
4 at least.
That's 3.
1, 2, 3.
Nah, where you had the third one from? What the fuck? This was just adding shit on his ass.
Look.
Oh, that's perfect right here.
Oh, that was good.
Oh! You did not even get that one.
Yes, I did.
That was how many? Like 6 or 7? Yeah, this is my favorite game. New favorite game.
Right here?
Misa's right there, boys. Imagine he falls. That'd be so fucked. Just jump, bro. I'll catch you. Yes. Is it possible?
Yes, easy.
This is a good one, huh?
Yeah. We're gonna be recording.
Thanks for the cut, G. Time to continue on my travels. These niggas did not know what to eat, bruh.
I don't wanna fly again.
Ew, what the fuck?
You better not drop shit on my
These are tiny, nigga.
What?
What'd you get?
What'd you get?
The tender.
The 3-piece.
The 8. Oh, it's only a 3-piece?
4 for me. 1, 2, 3.
Damn, nigga,
5, 6. 6 piece actually for me.
Yeah, nigga. Motherfucker.
Suck at you.
I guess you thought I was cuter then.
Oh hell nah.
Damn. Oh, she go. Look, you could have saved your money.
I didn't know.
I know, but like you could have. I'm saying.
You want to try? Gave me this fucking.
Hey, you want to try for the mac and cheese?
Smallest? No, I fucking hate mac and cheese.
Oh hell no.
Do you have fries?
Yeah, I have fries.
Actually, let me try the mac and cheese. Maybe I'll think about it.
How are you gonna try it? With your hand? I don't have a spoon.
Oh, you motherfucker.
I just said I don't have a spoon.
You have one.
I don't give a fuck.
You have one.
I don't want a spoon anyways.
You have one.
I don't want a spoon anyways. Where is it? 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 Show me, fucking homo. Show me.
Show him, you fucking homo.
Why do you want to do 24 hours in the car?
We don't have anything.
Nigga just wants to sleep in the car.
I would just want to use my car, nigga.
Oh,
And that too.
You want to sleep in there?
I don't want to, but it's for a video, yeah. Fucking why not?
I'm gonna have to make sure I don't eat Takis or nothing, because I'm about to poop hard.
Is it good?
Oh, they give you a spoon. Let me get it after, yeah? No homo.
Nah.
You know cook it?
I could wings it.
Have you seen your girlfriend after what you told her?
Huh?
Have you seen the werewolf after what you asked her?
Yeah, I told you, she was like, I said on the chat, I was like, she came to say bye to like everyone. And then I guess I didn't hear her because I was cleaning my shit because I wanted to leave already. And then I guess she thought I didn't hear her, but I did. I didn't want to say anything though. But and then she came all the way around where I was, and she was like, "Hey, don't be sad," and shit like that. We can still be friends.
Sad.
We can
Okay,
still be
dude.
friends.
Is that a little weird now? Whenever she passes by now?
Nah.
But you haven't worked with her again, huh?
Saturday and Friday. Nah, Saturday and Sunday.
That's when you see her again?
Yeah.
You think it'd be weird?
Hopefully, huh? Nick?
I mean, it's
Oh,
gonna
you
be
gonna
kind of
be weird?
awkward.
Nah. I'm just be chilling.
How do you feel about it?
Huh?
How do you feel about it?
I just be like chilling. Like, nah, bitch. You didn't want me at my worst. You can't have me at my best. And if she wants me back,
You were gonna have to say yes.
yeah.
Hell no.
You're stupid.
Well, I mean,
nigga.
she didn't really do you wrong, though. She didn't do you wrong.
Like that one bitch, the little bitch.
I
Yeah.
think she told you. Actually, I don't even
Where we
know
gonna go?
nothing.
Bashi? Ya dijo. I need a spork.
I'm not done with my mac and cheese, nigga.
You hate mac and cheese, you have mac and cheese, but you don't gas on them. Fucking pussy.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What is that?
What the fuck are you tripping for, bro? This thing had like 2 bites.
No, but I don't want to
This
eat
is
it right
hella
now.
small. Where
But
the
I
fuck-
want to eat it with my own time. No? But now you're rushing me.
What is this? Someone else's time? Borrowed time?
Yeah, because I want to take a couple bites of this, and then take a couple bites of
Why
this,
doesn't do that?
and then get a drink.
Do
Nah,
that. Nobody's
nah,
chasing you.
nah,
Nobody's
nah.
chasing this nigga.
This nigga is. He's telling me to hurry up so I can give him the fucking spoon, nigga.
Fuck what this
And he
nigga
keeps
said.
like, remember when I'm done, throw it out the window?
Keep playing.
What are you staring at, nigga? I keep spitting at you.
He said, let me have your coleslaw and I'll give you the mac and cheese. Eats the mac and cheese and eats my coleslaw.
Oh yeah, but you said you don't want it.
Mándame la verga. Mándame la verga, está bien.
But you said you're not. You're
No, I
taking
don't
too
want
long,
that shit.
nigga.
Then what the fuck are you bitching for?
But you ate the fucking mac and cheese already, so what am I
You
gonna
want
do?
half?
You eat the fucking coleslaw.
I thought you
How
said
is
you
that?
hated mac and cheese, nigga.
Yeah, you're talking shit.
No,
That's
I
on
said
you.
I hated fucking coleslaw.
You said you hated mac and cheese too.
No, I said I didn't. I wanted to try it, but you didn't let me try
Oh,
it because we were
nigga.
waiting for the spoon. Remember?
You want?
Remember?
You want?
No, I don't want. I wanted to.
He's about to cry. Exposed. Ah!